What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this socket set that we have here. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, including one thing you should know before buying. All right, guys, so I got a number of different socket sets, basically to see which one I liked the best. This one's actually really good, a lot better than some of the other ones that I've had in the past. I think it's a pretty solid set overall. Now, I've had this for a little while now, and I've been using it quite a bit. And as you can tell, I mean, I just haven't had, I don't have anything bad to say about durability or anything like that. I mean, I've used every one of these, you know, a number of times, I'd say. Maybe not every one of them, but a lot of them a number of times in different settings. And I really don't have much negative to say about the durability of these. They definitely do hold up really, really well. I like that. And I like that these are a lot better than just a, than just like a flimsy bit that you can plug into something else. I like the fact that they actually have this right here, and you have to plug into that. It just makes it so that, you know, when you're torquing on it, things like that, it actually just does a much better job. All these fittings up here also, you know, I've used those a number of times. These right here, all just works really well. High quality product, I'd definitely say. Now, talking a little bit about the case itself, it does a really good job. You know, we'll take it, let it go down a few times here. You can see nothing is coming out whatsoever. Something I really like about this. Some of the other sets that I tested, they would kind of fly out. This is just molded in a way to where everything stays in place, so long as it's put in the right place, which is definitely a nice advantage for sure. The size of this is pretty small. I have a reasonably large hand, but I mean, it's a little bit bigger than my hand. It's not, outrageously big by any means. So it's a good size, as it says here, 53 pieces overall. But yeah, the product, everything is pretty solid overall from my own experience. Now, the only thing I think you should know about this prior to purchasing it, so it doesn't happen with all of them, and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to give you a good example here. But one thing that I've noticed is that sometimes these back here aren't the exact same size for each socket, right? This one seems to be fine, but some basically are a little bit tighter than others. Not to a point to where they're not usable, but just to where you'll notice that sometimes you're pushing a lot harder to get something on, or the release is a little bit more rough. So it's not like absolute precision there, but it's not to a point to where they're unusable. It's just a slight annoyance I've noticed when using some of these over the time that I've had this. So overall, yeah, I definitely do recommend it. I think it's a quality product. Just know that some of these aren't exactly perfect, but yeah, for the price and the quality of everything, I mean, I think it's really good. And if you're thinking about getting it, definitely do recommend it.